Hello everybody. I know I couldn't work in a circus, but I can tell you what I can do, and I can definitely cook and bake. And today I'm going to bake a carrot cake, which is a request from one of my fans, subscribers, and in fact she's my close friend from Poland. Agata, this video is for you with a special dedication. Unfortunately, we won't be able just to have this cake together, but I hope you're gonna make some notes and you're gonna make this cake. And if yes, you need to send me a picture. I will now preheat my oven for approximately 180 degrees, which is 356 Fahrenheit. Let's go quickly through the ingredients, and we are going to need some flour, baking powder, nuts. I am going to use walnuts, pecans, cashews, a bit of honey, sugar. I would need some eggs too. Of course, carrot. Very, very important would be spices. For the icing, butter and cream cheese. Okay, let's start. Remember, you can use different nuts. You can use some dry fruits, so sky is the limit. I start with 1 cup. This is definitely not a diet cake. Smells like orange. My carrot cake is in the oven now. I set the timer for 45 minutes. So now, off to the icing. Okay, the cake is ready, and I think my colleagues tomorrow at work will be very happy because I'm gonna bring it. I got a look. This is how your cake should look like. See you, bye. Okay, I tried my cake and it was really good, but unfortunately I forgot to record when I was tasting, so I will just do the tasting specially for you now. Okay. This is the rest of the cake. And I must say it was really good. It was really delicious. My colleagues at work said that it was really good. They are really happy because now, since I started with my channel, I bring some food to work, so they are quite happy. Let's go. Let's try the carrot cake. Agata Michał, now it's your turn. I'm talking to you. Guys, if you like my video, please leave me a comment, subscribe, share, follow. Give me a sign that you are on the other side because I would like to hear some feedback from you. I'm also curious, do you prefer more desserts or do you prefer a dinner inspirations? For the next video, I'm going to try some street food. So please make sure you're subscribed so you're not gonna miss the next video. So I'm going to finish this carrot cake and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.